What is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to free up space from your Windows 10 computer by means of how to remove unwanted apps that are taking too much space on your computer. So the first method will be you need to click on the start menu right here, and you will see all the apps that are installed on your computer. Okay, so what you're gonna do is locate the app that you want to remove. Okay, look at these apps and see which ones you want to remove. For example, I want to remove this one right here. So you right click on it and you click on uninstall. Okay, this will take you to the programs and features in your control panel, and you locate it again right here on the list. Okay, and here it is. So what you want to do is click on it once and then click on install right here. So this is the first method. The second method will be you need to click on the start menu and you need to click on settings. Then you click on apps, and on the apps and features tab you're going to see the list of apps again on your computer. And here, how to remove the app that you don't want. So you click once here and you click on uninstall right here. Now some apps, okay, when you click on them, you're gonna see the uninstall button is disabled. You can't click it, okay? That means you're stuck with this app and you cannot remove it, okay? Now I'm gonna show you a third method where you can remove like apps that cannot be removed from Windows 10, which is CCleaner. Okay, CCleaner is a software where that cleans your computer up and remove unwanted apps that cannot be removed. So there's a free version to download and there's the paid version. Okay, I recommend personally the free version because it does pretty much everything you need. So you know the pro version is for complicated stuff, so you don't need that. Okay, now I have left the link in the description box below, so if you want to download CCleaner, just click on it. And next, I'm going to head to CCleaner, and here, this is the software right here. First, you need to head to your Cleaner tab right here, and here you have Windows and Applications. So Windows, these are the Windows, some of the Windows apps like Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer. Okay, so now the ticked boxes, okay, these are default by CCleaner. Okay, so these are safe to remove. So just don't play with these ticks right here. Okay, just keep them as they are. I'm going to show you next how to run the cleaner afterwards. So for example, internet cache, cookies, download history, these you can safely remove and they won't affect on your PC. Okay, so keep those and don't play with them. And here in the applications tab, you can see the cache and cookies in Firefox and Google Chrome and other stuff as well. Okay, so when you're done, okay, you click on Run Cleaner, and this will free up lots of storage from your Windows 10 PC. Okay, you just need to wait for like 5 minutes or something like that. Okay, and then when you're done with that, you go to Tools right here, and here in the Uninstall uh, tab, you're gonna see all the apps again on your computer. So the app that you don't wanna keep on your computer, okay? So here you click on it and you click on uninstall. Now this uninstall button is available for all these apps. The apps that couldn't be removed here in settings and in the start menu right here, okay, they can be removed forcibly by CCleaner. Okay, that's the great thing about this software. Okay, so only remove the apps that it's safe to remove, and this is how it's done. For example, here, click on that and you click on uninstall, and it will safely uninstall your app. And that's about it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below if this video has helped you or not. Okay, thanks for watching and take care.